Hi folks, Russ from Pro Steam here. Right, the purpose of this video is to demonstrate and introduce you to my LVT cleaning service. Now, this particular floor isn't Carndine, it's not Antico, it's a cheaper variety. It might be something that you have in your house, and this is the first time the floor is going to have a professional deep clean. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to demonstrate the process, exactly what we do and how we get the results by using our methods. Okay, so there's a fair amount to do today. It's not in bad condition, this floor. It really just needs a lift. It needs deep clean, and it needs a quality seal put on the surface, and that will enhance the tiles and also help to protect the tile. And the sealant will also help to keep the floor cleaner for longer, and it makes cleaning easier because dirt simply doesn't stick to it as easy. And through here we have some herringbone LVT, and all this is going to need to be cleaned and sealed. So we'll just walk around this part of the hallway. Alright, so there's a bit of work to do. There's no major problems with this floor. It's a bit worn, it's scratched in places, a few dents and dings, but nothing major. And this floor's got many years of life in it. So, right, we're going to time lapse the process. And the first step will be to vacuum the floor, and I've helped the client move the furniture from the floor. We've relocated it outside. Now, if you go for the sealing option, this is something that will need to be done. We cannot seal around furniture. Gaps between the tiles quite deep, and a lot of dirt has got between those gaps. I'm going to show you how much dirt I've released from those gaps just in this area here. Right, that's everything done. So the floor has been deep cleaned and sealed, and I think that looks fantastic. It really does look nice. Just trying to get it. There we go. So all the dirt's gone. And, there's a nice satin sheen to the floor. It's not shiny, but that really looks lovely. I'm going to walk towards the front door. towards the herringbone. go. Oh, that's fantastic. It really does look nice. It looks like a brand new floor. All that dirt gone. There we go. Now we leave our customers with some overshoes. There they are. And we ask our customers to wear these until the floor has cured. It's going to take overnight to cure. So if you're going to be replacing furniture, I usually advise leave it to the end of the day. Just leave it, all that can stay out there until late afternoon, and then the floor would have gone off just enough to have the weight of the furniture on it without damaging the sealant. So there you have it, folks. Now, if you would like your floor cleaned, you'd like an estimate, please get in touch. You can email us at info@prosteenuk.com or visit the website www.prosteenuk.com. We don't charge for estimates, and if you live within our catchment, in some cases we can come out and have a look at the floor